Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2021 Scout 195 Sportfish. The way this boat's equipped, you've got the white hull sides. For power, it's set up with the 115 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. 2 jump seats, one in each aft corner. We've got rod holders behind each of the backrests, as well as just in forward of those seats. Designated rod storage underneath each gunnel. Double wide helm seat. Underneath this helm seat is your live well. There. At the helm you have a tilt wheel. Plenty of space to flush mount a GPS. Got your Fusion stereo. Boat comes with 4 speakers. This boat is outfitted with a Garmin VHF radio. Speaker here, handheld on the side. You have a nice big bimini top that gives you plenty of sun protection. Underneath the console there is enough space for a porta potty head. This boat does have that. Up in the bow of the boat, just forward of the console, you have a carry-on, carry-off cooler that has a snap-down cushion on top and a backrest to give you forward-facing seating up here in the bow of the boat. This boat's equipped with the bow cushion, and under that bow cushion is a really nice storage compartment. The boat is pre-wired with the trolling motor plug, and you have designated anchor locker up here in the bow of the boat as well. That's a real quick look at our 2021 Scout 195 Sportfish. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. We'll be happy to show you the boat.